Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. With this tutorial, I will teach you how to make a simple flower applique with bubble or volume stitch. This flower is quick and easy to make and has a lot of potential thanks to the volume we create in the petals. We can do the flowers in a single color or mixing up different colors for a more fun result. Likewise, it can be used as an individual applique or joining several flowers to achieve more complex work. It looks great on blankets, accessories, bags, and even garments like sweaters or cardigans. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and sharing this video. You will need yarn of a wool or cotton blend, a crochet needle. I will be using a 3mm one. Hello everyone, in this new tutorial I will show you how to make these puff crochet flowers with 3D effect in the petals. As you can see, the petals are made in puff stitch. This is a very simple flower that looks very good, especially when joining a few of them. This one is a little bit smaller. You can see how the petals create a 3D relief. This area here is made with unfinished double crochet stitches. Now I'll teach you how to make this applique from the beginning. I'm using a 3mm needle and a medium thick thread to make it easy for you to see. I start making a magic circle. I make the circle with the yarn and I start by making 6 chains on it. We have 6 stitches and I'm going to make 2 single crochet on each of them, so I will have 12. Remember, 2 on each stitch. So now I have 12 single crochet all around. This is my first round. For the second round, I start with a single crochet and 2 chain stitches, 1 and 2. I skip a stitch and in the next one I make another single crochet and 2 chain stitches. And I continue like this until I reach the end of the circle. I have 1, 2. Each of these loose chain stitches is going to be a petal. And I close on the stitch where I started. I will then have a space for 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And now each petal consists of 4 chain stitches, and in each of the chain stitch loops that I made before, we're going to make 5 double crochets without closing them, the same as puff stitch. So I do 1 double crochet, I pass the needle once, but I don't close it. 2, 3, 4 without closing them, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 threads on the needle. So what I do is I crochet them all together. Now I have the 4 chain stitches and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 unfinished double crochets, and closing them together I create the volume. And now 4 chain stitches again. I close them at the previous round single crochet with a slip stitch. And I already have the first petal. Now I make the second one, 4 chain stitches and 5 unfinished double crochets. I have 6 yarns on the needle and I close them all together. And again 4 chain stitches that I close to finish the second petal. Depending on the yarn we use, we might want to make 6 rather than 5 double crochets on the petal to create more volume. I'm going to try the next one with 6 instead of 5 and see how it works. So instead of 5 double crochets, I'm making 6 here. Now I will have 7 yarns left in the needle. I finish the petal. And indeed, I have more volume. I prefer this one, so I'm going to finish the flower with more double crochets. I have 3 more petals to make, so I carry on like this till I finish the 6 petals. I pretty like this flower, it's simple to make, but the resulting volume offers a lot of possibilities. And this is my finished flower, which has 6 petals. Here you see the difference in thickness. This one is made with a thicker yarn and a slightly chunkier needle. This grey one was made with the same needle but with a thicker yarn. It has 5 double crochet on the petals, but it really looks better with 6, I believe. I also made this pink flower with the same 3mm needle. I want you to see the difference between the yarns. You might as well take into account that when crocheting, your hand makes the tension. We can also play with color variations. You can make the center in one color and the petals in another. And plenty of versions. So well, this is the flower that I call 3D puff flower. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you soon with more ideas and projects.